Okay, so the weather is now changing and it's getting windier, and we felt a little bit of rain. You gotta wipe this up bad.
In the last video, we left you with a bit of a cliffhanger. We had a disaster on our hands. We were painting the mobile home and it was coming out so good. And we were down to the last few feet and it started raining. And our paint just got ruined. Luckily, it was so nice out that a lot of the paint held. It dried enough to hold out the rain. Unfortunately, we had a pretty big spot that was just ruined. But we're not going to let that hold us back. We're going to get right back into it. It's dry now, it's sunny now, and we are ready to paint. So we're going to pick up where we left off and just keep on painting. We're going to paint this, then we're going to wrap around and start painting
the second coat.
The second coat on the rest, and it's going to look so good. And we're going to keep pushing forward and overcome the obstacles that are in our way, because that's how we do it.
And then once the red is all painted, then we're going to come back through with white and roll the white.
We're gonna have to clean up that white, yep. So you guys know us, we're not going to let a little rain get us down. We have been touching up the paint, and luckily most of the trailer was okay. So all we had to do was that back section at the very end that was all runny. Ashley was on white paint, I got on red, and we got it done. We still have a little more touch up to do, but we're letting it dry. And while we're letting it dry, I'm getting ready to install the new lights. I told you guys I picked out some new lights for the two doors. I hope you like them. We normally wouldn't choose this light, but we wanted something that would kind of have a vintage feel and blend in, and we found these really cool red kind of barn lights, I guess. And it's not the perfect tone of red, it's a little dark, but we think they're going to look good on the trailer and fit in really well. There's our new light installed, and I think it looks pretty cool. Typically, we wouldn't have a light hanging this low, but out here, when you're down off the steps especially, that's going to be really cool. So do you like the lights?
Yeah, a lot better than the ones that were on there.
So with this, we didn't want lights that contrasted. We didn't want lights to stand out because we want to keep our red stripe and we wanted it to kind of blend away. So we just tried picking these because we thought it would be a cool, like, a functional light that doesn't break up that nice red crisp line.
And they're perfect.
Yeah. Awesome. Good find. Believe it or not, painting is complete, we hope.
100% complete.
We are ready to move on to the windows. That's going to be a big job, but we're going to try to start it tonight. I don't know if we're going to get it done, but we're going to get in a rhythm and just try to put them in. It's going to be easy. Mobile home windows, there's just a flange, you put the tacky tape on it and you screw it to the house. It should be quick, as long as they all fit. This is going to be real time. I mean, like, we don't know if they're going to fit even.
Yeah.
We want to give a huge shout out to Kent at Titan Mobile Home Supplies. He's the one that set us up with the windows and figured out everything we needed. We just reached out to him and basically told him what size windows we had and asked him what he thought and his opinion on switching them out, and he hooked us up and made sure that we got all the sizes that we needed, all the screws, all the putty tape, stuff that we wouldn't have even thought of.
And the door.
And the door, yeah. So thank you so much for your help. We were hesitant to change out the windows at first, but we asked him about the investment. Is it going to be worth it? He believes it will. We trust his opinion, so we're going to stick with that. and we hope it's going to be a good investment to go into the trailer, and we hope that the next person looking will appreciate the new non-broken functional windows. Is this exciting to be doing the windows?
Yeah.
So I don't know if there's any rhyme or reason to this. We're just going to put it on. Right?
Yep.
Just making sure I'm on track here. That's it?
Yeah. Now it's ready.
Should we have test fit it first?
Should we have? Yeah, but did we? No. That looks so cool with the silver.
Hope it fits so cool. Let's see. That works. We set it in. Let's see. Here it is. That feels like a perfect fit. What?
And it looks so good with the silver.
It's a new day today and we're almost done with the windows. We were up working till like 10 o'clock last night, just trying to catch up from the lost time with that repainting mess that we had to deal with.
Yeah.
And we almost got it done, but we ran out of screws. So we ran out today, we got some new screws to finish putting the windows in.
We have two more windows to put in and finish screwing the third window.
So we're on the verge and we're leaving the hardest window for last, and we'll show you that when we get there. I just got that one done. This is literally the last window that we have to replace. I can't believe we're finally here. It was probably a lot quicker for you guys to watch than for me to do. It just feels excellent to be done, but look at all the windows in the house were totally fine. This one had water damage, so we saved it for last, and I'm gonna have to cut this out and replace it. It doesn't extend very far, but I'm gonna probably replace this whole bottom piece, and I'll see what I can do about the side. There's no way I'm gonna be able to screw into that. I'm just peeling the paneling off it. I already cut the nails from my reciprocating saw. So we'll see how it goes. Okay. There's that. That's an easy fix.
Yeah.
Other than the paneling being a little shot. But the insulation looks really good, and these look good. And this side one has some damage right here, but it's actually not that bad. It's pretty solid. It was just right where they connected. So I think we can leave that. It won't hurt anything. Like, it's got wood to it, but look at it. It's all hollow.
Yeah.
Again, we gotta try to get this out without ruining the paneling. Look at it.
Yeah, that's gross.
And again, look at it. All the wood up here is solid. A little discolored, but it's all hard. That's strange. How does it go?
Excellent.
Beautifully. Last but not least, these have to go. Oh. We got some new lights for this end. We're going super simple. Check that out. Really cool. It's going to look good up here on the white. We are done. 100% I think on the outside we are done. It looks so good. You guys
Really
want to see it? Check this out. There it is. Check out how sharp that is. It stands out and just pops back here. We got the new windows installed in the silver on the red and white. It looks awesome.
Totally transformed.
Our new diamond door. Do you see the light? It blends right in. Our new lights. Not distracting from the stripe.
It came out so good.
We even painted the awning up here white again. Do you love it?
Yeah.
We got rid of the old screen door because it was ugly and broken. Let's take a walk around and check it out. So there it is, guys. I hope you love it. I hope those of you who didn't like the red do like the red now that you see it on the trailer. I think it looks awesome, and it looks good without the shutters. We were happy with that. We're gonna leave them off. It just looks clean and crisp, and that's what I love about these lights. They don't clutter up the trailer, and just the whole thing looks so awesome.
It does.
And the silver windows, everything. We want to know, what do you guys think? What is your favorite part? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you still hate the red? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks for cheering us on through the whole ordeal. and giving us the motivation we need to keep going, even with the disasters that we went through. Thanks again to Ken, who helped us find the windows and everything that we needed. We love them, they fit perfect, and the install went so well.
Yeah.
So that was awesome.
Every single window.
It's awesome. It's like
perfect. I think we chose the right color, the right stripe to paint, all
everything.
of it.
Yeah. Yeah, do you guys remember? Orange, and this was white. I mean, it's funny how quick you forget what it was after you transform it. It's amazing.
And then we were gonna do red, white, red, and then at the last minute we decided to do this.
And this is right. This looks good. It's so clean. I love it. So there it is, project complete. But that doesn't mean we're done working, because now we have work to do on the inside, redoing the window trim, the casing and everything.
Painting ceilings.
A lot of work ahead of us, but we're almost done with the property. We're happy with it. So I suppose that's all we have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button. And until next time, take care.
Bye.